Hello, my brothers and my sisters. How are you all doing, family? Hope you are doing good. Thank God for making us to see this brand new day. Are you a working class lady or you are a working class man? You don't say for the rainy days. No, know this today. You are working. You are working right now. You are not saving. My brothers and my sisters, I'm not trying to judge you. I just want to say that sometimes we are making some mistake that we think that we are right. You are working right now, you are not saving. Brother, save. Sister, you are working right now, you are not saving. Save. You know why? Because there is a rainy days. When the rainy day will come, how will you solve it when you are not saving? You are the type that goes to that is working and you say nothing dey happen. Someday something will happen, brother. Someday something will happen, sister. Save for the rainy days. Invest in your future, because you will not be so young to work when the time comes, so that you will reap the fruit of your labor. When the time comes, when you cannot work anymore, you will have enough to take care of yourself. Please, brother, please, sister, you are out there, you are working, you are not saving for the rainy days, you are not investing. Please invest. You might be saying right now that I'm in Europe. You not get any time when I will say go Nigeria. I'm not going to Nigeria very soon. I'm not going to Nigeria right now. I will live and die here. My dear, invest. You don't know what tomorrow may bring. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. Please, my brother, please, my sisters, invest. Invest. You know why? Because tomorrow, you don't know what tomorrow holds for you. Anytime can be 6 o'clock for anybody. I repeat, anytime can be 6 o'clock for anybody. Please, my brothers, please, my sisters, you are working right now. You are saying, every month now that money they come save. Every month now that money they come save. And they get the money. Please, while you are getting the money, invest. Invest in your future. Invest in your old age. You might say, I have a lot of children. They will take care of me. Invest first in your old age. Don't I'm not telling you that it's wrong to depend on your children. But what I'm telling you is that it is wrong to depend on your children 100%. You know why? Because they have their own problem to solve. Because they have their own life to live. It's what they eat, the remainder of what they eat. That is what they will give you as their parents. They will first of all be okay before they will not give you. If they are not okay, they will not give you anything. Please, my brothers, please, my sisters, invest in your old age. Don't depend too much. Don't put all your egg in one basket. But depending on your children 100%. They will do for you fine. They will be there when you are old. They will do for you. They will give you. But when you have a little, there is respect. When you have a little, the children will respect you the more. They will know that you don't depend on them. They will know that yes, my father don't depend on me. They will know that yes, my father have. Then they will be supporting you the way you are. Let's say yes now. As you are working now, are you giving your mother all the money you are working? No. You give your parents whatsoever you want to give them. You give your parents from after you might have settled yourself. Then the remaining ones you will divide it and give them what you want to give them. My brothers, my sisters, don't say that I'm going to live and die here. Someday you will visit home. Maybe you want to maybe really you want to live and die here. Are you going to stay here forever? Maybe you want to live and die here, for example. You will visit. You will visit home. When you visit, what are you going to fall back with? You rent hotel from one hotel to the other when you have the money to erect a good mansion. Erect that mansion. Let it be there. You want to save your money in the bank? Fine, save your money. You want to do it yourself? Bravo. Please, brothers and sisters, invest. It might be too late tomorrow. Something might happen tomorrow that warrant us, everybody, all blacks, to go home. What will you fall back to? What will you fall back to? Please invest. You might not know, you might not be feeling, you might not want to invest, but I'm telling you now, brothers, I'm telling you now, sisters, please invest. Don't use your money to buy all round Gucci. Don't use your money to buy D&G every time. Don't use your money to buy all sorts of things, marker that is trendy right now. A time will come, those markers will not help you. It's your investment that is going to help you. Please be wise, brothers. Please be wise, sisters. All that glitters are not gold, you know. Please invest in your future. Have a nice day, brothers. Have a nice day, sisters. Till we come your way again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Be blessed. Stay blessed.